Laser plastic pneumatic fittings. Components and materials: plastic PBT, locals, zinc alloy, color, zinc, NBR, copper fittings. Key features: lightweight and durable, corrosion and chemical resistance, quick connect design, cost-effective, leak-free performance. Applications: machinery and automobiles required for various industrial automation. White-chisel plastic pneumatic fittings, certified quality, meets ISO 6431 DIN and other international standards. Temperature resilience, operate reliably in temperatures ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to +80 C. Custom solutions, available in multiple configurations: elbows, teeth, coupling, and colors for easy system identification.